Hey y'all, it's Jamie Dean back in the chicken box. Teresa came down today and she's got two awesome recipes for me to do. The first one we're gonna do sandwiches. I love this time of year, spring going into summer. April starts off our family's birthdays. Our baby will be 5 this month. I cannot believe that Davis is gonna be 5 years old. So it's definitely sandwich season, and this is a cool sandwich. I really like this idea. So Teresa's got me all my things put together. And we're gonna start with an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. This is nice and soft. If you don't have a soft block at the house, you can plug up your mixer. As you can see, this is plenty soft enough. I don't need to beat this up any. Now to this, we're gonna add some pepper jack cheese. Gonna add some green chilies. It smells so good. And one of my favorites and my brother's too, olives. So this is kind of like a little muffalata mix, maybe almost. And I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce to this too. We got some good flavors going in here. Give this a little mix. I apologize for my sniffling ahead of time. It is pollen season in Savannah, Georgia, let me tell y'all. I'm gonna add a little bit of sour cream.
Now, Jamie, we're only making a half recipe. There is normally double everything when they actually see the recipe to make more.
Y'all, because I don't need this many sandwiches laying around the chicken box. I got enough sandwiches to sell. It's not in the recipe, but I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper to this. Add a little bit because I like my sour cream seasoned. All right, about halfway there, y'all. Now I've got spinach. We're gonna use spinach today. Nice, easy, rough chop. And our green onions. I'm just gonna take a few of these tips. It'll give it a little bit of texture, and also it'll have a little bit of that onion flavor to it. Now all of our greens are gonna go in there. I'm gonna mix all these up together. So the good part about recipes, y'all know, is that I'm forever always changing them. So if you want to use 5 times more spinach than I did, you totally can. If you want to use a different kind of lettuce, if you'd rather use iceberg lettuce, it's all about making the recipe your own after you make it one time. So y'all don't get too far. As soon as I get this mixed up, we're gonna put it together, wrap it up, slice it up. Don't go anywhere. Alrighty, Rudy, this is it. Okay, we're using our burrito wraps today. I'm gonna spread this mixture out. So I guess if you did the whole thing, it's probably 4 sandwiches this will make. I'm gonna tuck it up here. Oh, well, let me see. If we're doing something different, you know what I was doing? I was making a hot honey chicken wrap. That's not what I'm making. I'm making pinwheel sandwiches. That's what I'm making now. So I've got my bread knife. I don't know if this end's gonna be worth saving. That's the cook's treasure right there. The cook gets to eat the scrap. Nice, huh?
Oh, they're pretty.
You want to add a little bit more spinach. This is a little wet for you. If you wanted to add more cheese, you could put jalapenos in it. I could see grape tomatoes plop down right on top of these. It's a really versatile sandwich. It's easy to fix, and it's also going to be easy to love. So that's it. Listen, it's only April, not even April yet, and it's hot in the chicken box, y'all. When Teresa comes down here, I have to turn the fans off, so let's hurry. Doggone. It may be one of my favorite things I made. I'm Jamie Dean. That's good food. See y'all around the kitchen. No, good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it
and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.